Hello everyone. I would like to announce that Greensboro, North Carolina just received a tornado. Don't worry though, this is the tornado. That's right. Join me and we'll unbox this bad boy.
Now mind you, I already got a package from Air Conception, which was the battery charger and two 3-bladed props. I ordered extra prop just in case something happens, because I'm going down to Florida with this thing next month to continue training with my instructor, and I didn't want anything to come in the way of that. We're going to have to brush the head off. Got a lot of something on it from the packing material. I do not want that to bake into the head and discolor it. Before I even start this thing up for the very first time, I am going to put a temperature gauge on it, an hour meter, and RPM meter. I am curious. I'm gonna put this thing on. I just want to see how these shoulder straps are if they are closer together. Oh yeah, I can tell already. It feels a lot better. It comes with two LiPo batteries and battery bunker. One for while you're in flight is mounted on the paramotor, well, the other side. There is a connector on that side, you'll see. And this bag here that they were both in, this is the bag you keep them in when you're charging or storing. Okay? These have been known to burn down your house, so be real careful with these. You know how Pet Dander loves Velcro. To keep this nice and strong, make sure you keep it up away from the pets. thank you for joining me for this unboxing video. It's the first unboxing video I've ever done. See you on the next video. Hello everybody. I forgot what I was going to say.